Withdrawing funds held by Discord can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate the withdrawal process. Step 1. Access your Discord account. Log into your Discord account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account that holds the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open your user settings menu. Step 3. Go to billing settings. In the user settings menu, find and select the billing option. This section contains all the information related to your funds and payment methods. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal details. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and payment method. Once everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal to complete the process. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully withdrawn. Following these steps will help you withdraw your funds from Discord with ease. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for assistance.